Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a burn text or logo animations in CapCut. So here, you just need to create a video text like this using a black background. Just write your text and then change the font to the one you like and then export it and start a new project like this. And after that, you just need to add the fire video as overlay. So go to the overlay, add overlay, and then click on the stock videos, and in here find the atmosphere section and just scroll down until you find this fire video. So you can just choose which one to use. I'm going to just use this first one, this fire video. Okay, then just click on add. You can adjust its position and size, and then go to blend, then choose darken. Okay, I'm going to go to the top to make the fire fit the text, and that's it. Now you can just trim the video, the overlay video, to fit the text, and this will be the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button on there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you.